Today I'm going to show you some Cheats Kouign Amann. Now Leo makes these from scratch and we're talking like dough from scratch, so you can see what the real thing looks like here. It's fluffy, it's just caramelized and incredible, but I do not have the time or patience to do that. Plus I've got some puff pastry in the fridge that needs using up, so why not make Cheats Kouign Amann? So I've got a mixture here of sugar and salt. This is left over from when Leo made it, so I will ask him for the measurements and I will put that in the comments. And all I'm doing is sprinkling that on some puff pastry. I'm putting it on the front and the back instead of flour, so it doesn't stick to the table, and I'm just kind of crunching that in with a rolling pin. Now normally you cut it into squares and you make these pretty little patterns in like a baking tin, so like muffin tin or cupcake tin, something like that. Now I've tried to make mini ones here, so you can see the technique for doing it, but it doesn't necessarily work. I think they were just too small. But anyway, I've cut them into squares, and then you kind of fold it up into this little four-pointed flower type thing, and pop it in there. So that's what they should look like. And yeah, best of intentions, they all went in there, but in the end they just turned into these puff things, but they still worked. They didn't look as pretty, but they tasted amazing. They're just like little light puffs, caramelized with sugar, a little bit of salt, just to get that nice sweet salty flavor in there.